Good morning everyone. We are in chapter 11, which is measurement and motion. Okay. In last lecture we talk about some important terms which are introduction of measurement, physical quantities, standard units, definition of measurement, standard unit, SI unit, multiplies and sub-multiplies of units. I hope you made table 11.1 and 11.2 in your copy, and remember it. Okay. After that, we have an important thing that we should notice or we have to keep in mind while writing the symbol of units. Okay. The following rules are followed in writing the symbols of units. Symbols are not followed by a full stop. Means if you write 1 centimeter, don't put full stop after that. Okay. So 1 centimeter is correct. 1 centimeter full stop is wrong. Okay. So we have to notice on it. Okay. So symbols are not followed by a full stop. Now second one is symbols are not written in the form of plural. In the form of plural or in the plural. For example, 1 centimeter correct. 10 centimeter correct. 10 centimeters wrong. Okay. We do not add s, es, I, ves. Okay. To convert singular into plural. Okay. So no need to make plural of any unit. Okay. You just write 100 centimeter, 100 meter, not meters, 100 meter. Okay. Okay. Now next topic is need for accurate measurements. A theory given in your book. Why a need come for accurate measurements? Need for accurate measurement. Let us see. A tailor measures length of cloth. A vegetable seller measures mass of vegetables. A milkman measures volume of milk. Okay. So these all tailor, vegetable sellers and milkmen doing their work to measuring their things. Okay. An architecture measure the area of plot of land before making the plan of any construction. Okay. When you have fever, you measure the temperature of your body. You need to measure all these things all the time. Okay. All these measurements must be made accurately. Okay. Using the standard unit. If a tailor does not make accurate measurement, what will happen? In your school, if the time for ringing the bell is not measured accurately, what will happen? Do you understand? In scientific work, even greater accuracy is needed. Scientists therefore keep improving the methods of making measurements. Okay, they are working every day to make accuracy in their measurement. Okay, so now let us talk how they making the accurate measurements. Okay, the subtopic is making accurate measurements. Different instruments are used to measure different quantities. A meter scale is used to measure a length of a piece of cloth. A weighing scale is used to measure the mass of vegetables, and a clock is measured for measuring the time. Okay. So we can say that different instrument used for measuring different quantities. Okay. could be very difficult to measure the circumference of tree using a meter scale. For this, measuring tape has to be used. Similarly, ordinary weighing scale used for vegetable vendor cannot be used to measuring the mass of flower petal. For this, you need to a physical balance. An ordinary watch cannot accurately measure the time taken you at run 100-meter race. So you need a stopwatch. So what I found that for accurate measurement of length, we replace a scale and we take tape. Okay. For the accuracy of time, we replace the ordinary clock, ordinary watch, and we take a stopwatch for accurate measurement. Okay. Therefore, in the order to make accurate measurement, we must use appropriate instruments and know how to use this instrument properly. Okay. So first we have to select the appropriate measurement who gives accurate result, and then after we know the how we can use this. Okay. Now the first topic is measurement of length. Measurement of length. Width, which is also known as breadth, depth, thickness, distance and height, all are measured of length. Let us write down. Okay, so measurement of length, width, breadth, depth, thickness, distance, height are all the measurements of length. Okay, now we talk about some instrument used for measuring the length, which are rulers, meter scales and measuring tapes. So these two sentences are most important for this topic, measurement of length. You need to write down first whatever the terms, whatever the things that we measure in of length, what are the measurements of length, like first width, or which is also known as breadth, depth, thickness, distance, height. Okay, and instruments like ruler, meter scale and measuring tape according to purpose. Okay, according to also convenient.